What's up, cool kids? So today we're going to be doing a cool kid thing, and what's this? A box. Oh, I have to unbox it. This is what all YouTubers do, don't they? Yeah, I'm gonna look back at this in like 10 years and be like, oh, this is pretty sick, bro. Hilarious. Caleb, you're so funny, man. So, yeah. I'll be unboxing. Alright, cool kid gamers. So, this is a cool kid Caleb cool unboxing video, because we're super cool gamers, and today I'll be doing a super cool gamer unboxing gamer video of the little magic 3x3 Rubik's speed cube, and this is gonna be different from my other content, if you can even call it that. And yeah, so yeah, this is the cube. It's pretty cool, I know. I can solve one of these, as in one of my past videos. Yeah, so, and like and subscribe.